Happy Sunday foodies, welcome back to the channel. I have the perfect recipe for you today, Sunday. I'm going to be teaching you how to make strawberry cheesecake ice cream, perfect for dessert, no ice cream maker needed, 100% homemade, ROMA'S kitchen style. So I'm going to start off by preparing the strawberries. I have 2 cups of chopped strawberries here, and I'm going to add it to the pot, no heat as yet. I'm adding a tablespoon and a half of sugar. You can add granulated sugar or brown sugar. Of course, some vanilla extract, that's 1 teaspoon. Then just a tablespoon of water. Now you're going to turn the stove on to low to medium heat, and I'm going to move these around. Once it starts to come together, I'm going to use a potato masher to just break this down a little, because I don't want the strawberries to be super big, and it's not a lot of strawberries either, so I want it to be able to stretch, right? So that's coming together well. Now just mash. And you can do this to however chunky you like it. You don't need this to boil too much. Once you see that it's coming together, it's getting a little bit thick and most of the liquid is out, then it's good. It's like you're making jam. You need that jam consistency. And so I would call this nice and perfect. Almost ready. But once it's finished, you leave it to cool down, and then it will be nice and thick, just like this. So now that the strawberry is out of the way, it's time to prepare the ice cream. Alright, so let's go. First ingredient, of course, this is strawberry cheesecake ice cream, so you need the cream cheese. Cream cheese has no flavor, remember that. This is 240 grams of cream cheese, and this cream cheese is at room temperature. Make sure yours is also at room temperature. That means it will be easier for you to cream this, get everything together. So let's flavor this. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I'll add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Then, of course, for sweetness, I'm going to add a can of condensed milk. You really do need the can because you're using the cream cheese that has no flavor. You're also going to use the heavy whipping cream, which also has no flavor. So all you need to do now, whip everything together. And if you don't have a hand mixer, you can just use a whisk or even a fork. Remember, this is homemade, especially if you don't have an ice cream maker, right? And because this was at room temperature, this blended together really quickly, and it was nice and smooth, and it will end up looking like this. And then you are good to go. Rest this to the side. Now onto the heavy whipping cream. You need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Use good heavy whipping cream, guys, because this will take you a hot minute, like it took me a hot minute to kind of get this to the perfect consistency. And also to note that these were chilled, they're coming out of the fridge. You don't want to get these to room temperature at all. So all you need to do, whip that up until it looks something like this. It doesn't have to be super stiff. This consistency is perfect, trust me. So now that we have cream cheese, we have heavy whipping cream, we have the strawberries, now it's time to put these together. So this is the flavored cream cheese mixture, and I'm going to fold in the non-flavored heavy whipping cream mixture. You don't need to mix this in circles, guys. Just fold in, and that's perfect. So fold it in. Then you should have something looking like this. Now it's time to put in that strawberry. We won't put in all the strawberry mixture now. What I'm going to do is just add a little of it to mix it all up in the ice cream. so you know you have pieces of strawberry and the strawberry flavor right throughout the ice cream. So fold it in. You don't want to get this super pink. You know, you need to still see the shades of white, the pink. Lovely. Now it's time to put this mixture into your pan. Now this is my brownie pan. It was chilling. I'm just going to add half the mixture in the brownie pan. And as you can see, strawberries all over. So once I do that, I'm going to add some more strawberry in it, but this time it won't be as mixed out as the other one, right? So you can just add it in different places, and this is thicker. It's not just all over, little pieces all over. You have thick pieces all over. And one thing that normally comes in strawberry cheesecake ice cream is the graham crackers, right? But I don't have graham crackers, so I'm just using my favorite crackers that are similar to this. And just like the strawberry, you can add these at different section because you want it all over your ice cream. And once you have these two for this layer, you can just use a chopstick, a fork, whatever you have, to just make some swirls. You know, you don't want to mix it in too much, just add some swirls. Then we're going to add the remainder of the ice cream. That's layer number 2, and we're going to do the same thing. Add some more strawberries, add some more crackers, do the swirl, and then that will be it. At least that will be it to go inside your freezer. Let me not say fridge, freezer. You need to do the same movement. Do not stir it in, just use a chopstick, whatever you have, and make some wonderful swirls so it will be nice and beautiful just like this. Now guys, if you don't want this to crystallize, the fruits to crystallize or anything, you're going to put the cling wrap right on top of your ice cream. It needs to be touching the ice cream, right? Even if you're putting this in a bowl that you can seal, it needs to be touching the ice cream so all that air can be out of it, so your fruits won't crystallize or anything like that. You won't be eating the ice cream and be, you know, feeling like little pieces of ice in your mouth. No, trust me, follow this method. It works perfect. And you can put this in the freezer for about 6 hours, then take it out and kind of mix it up again with the hand mixer just to get that ice cream maker kind of look thing. But for me, freezing it like this, then going ahead and scooping my ice cream is perfect. So I'm going to actually leave this for about 4 hours because I want to take some pictures of it and so on and show you how I'm scooping it. So watch this, guys. It's a little bit almost not ready if I go down in it too much, but I can just scoop the top, and I'm getting some, you know, I'm getting the ice cream I'm getting the strawberry that is mixed in it. I'm getting the chunks of strawberry and the strawberries on the top, and I'm also getting that crackers in it. Perfect. Trust me, this was so good, amazing. I think my ice cream recipes never fail me, and they will never fail you either if you follow these recipes to the T. And this is the final thing. It looks good, it tastes even better. Strawberry cheesecake recipe, ROMA'S kitchen style. Of course, lovelies, if you like the video, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net for this and other great recipes. I hope you will enjoy this ice cream today or whenever you make it. Let me know in the comment section how you enjoy this. Until next video.